Get one garbage bag.
Ebenezer! Ask Abdul for the garbage bag.
I don't have garbage bag.
You don't have garbage bag? Huh, Ebenezer?
That is what that one
You don't got no more?
Oh, I can't lie to you.
I need garbage bags, Ebenezer.
Ebenezer, we need garbage bag, Ebenezer. I'm gonna take this one.
No, I'm using it. So why am I going to put my rubbish?
What about us?
Besides,
What about us?
oh, boy, that's why I don't care.
Knock, knock.
Ebenezer, knock knock.
Oh my God.
What's your favorite team, Ebenezer? You don't have a favorite team, Ebenezer? Ebenezer, knock knock. Ebenezer, by the count of 3, say who's there. 1, 2, 3.
Who's that?
Ebenezer, knock knock. Ebenezer, knock knock. Ebenezer, when you say knock knock, you're supposed to say who's there. Knock knock. Can you just play the game, Ebenezer?
Knock, knock.
Ebenezer, knock knock. Ebenezer, you can't play the game with us?
It's like a 3-second game.
Knock knock, Ebenezer.
You say who's there?
Ebenezer, you like your job? Huh, Ebenezer?
Ebenezer, I need garbage bags, man. Come on.
No answer from the man. Ebenezer, you mad at us, Ebenezer? You don't want to talk to us, Ebenezer? No answer from the man. Ebenezer, Savvy's calling. No answer from the man.
I think Josh is calling you.
Is it true that Josh is gay, Ebenezer?
$8.99 size 9.